Hey, Jonathan here from the Tesla guys. I'm here with Johnny from J&J Rims. So we are on location here in Torrance. We're going to take care of a rim on this Model 3. How long of a process is it going to take?
Usually about an hour to an hour and a half.
Hour and a half, and this is going to be as good as new. So stick around, we'll show you how we get it done. Thanks.
Right now we're going to go ahead and start prepping the wheel. The most important part is to keep it clean before we actually get to work on it. And then that way you can tell if there's any more imperfections. You don't want to go ahead and start working on it and then later on you're going to find something that you didn't spot. So we're about to spray some base coat. We already color matched it to make sure that the color meets the Tesla wheels. We're about to spray the areas that we already sanded, and then after that we're just going to go ahead and add some polyurethane, which is the clear coat.
All right, we're all wrapped up here. The rim looks amazing. We're going to show you some close-ups so you can see the after and how it looks when it's all done. And wanted to let you guys know that we guarantee our work for as long as you own the car. So we're looking for customers for life, and that's the type of work we do. So you can be guaranteed that it's not going to peel, fade, or anything like that. That's what our guarantee is about.
More videos to come, so please subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again.